In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer your makeup like a pro.
So the first step is to understand that makeup and skincare goes hand in hand. Like, there's literally no way your makeup is going to look good if you do not, I repeat, if you do not prep your skin. Like, I don't know who has been deceiving you, I don't know who has been lying to you, but that should stop with immediate effect. Also, you need to know your skin type. You need to know if you're like an oily skin or if you have dry skin. And please, I beg of you with my knees on the floor, please buy products that cater for your specific skin type. If you're an oily skin girly, please use products that cater for oily skin. And if you're a dry skin girly, please use products that cater for dry skin. Do not, I repeat, do not do your makeup without prepping your skin. So step number 2 is to start applying your foundation in layers. So think of your face like a canvas. In order to get a good portrait, your canvas needs to be smooth. That is similar to makeup. In order to get a flawless makeup base, you have to apply your foundation in layers. There is no way possible you're just applying your foundation anyhow and you think your base is going to look smooth. It's not possible. I'm going to tell you this for free. It is not possible. And another trick that always helps me to pick the right foundation shade, I just go one shade darker. Going one shade darker is going to help your foundation or your entire makeup to look flawless at the end of the day, and you're not going to look like you're fighting colorism. And if you don't know your foundation shade, please go to a beauty supply store and actually test this product on your skin in order to get the right shade for you. Stop buying products that are not your shade, because sometimes you look like Coke and Fanta. Your neck is black while your face is white. Please use products that cater for your skin needs or your skin shades and stuff like that. And like I said, if you are in doubt, just go one shade darker. Going one shade darker is going to save you a whole lot of stress. Trust me on this one. I do this all the time and it works like magic. At the end of the day, my makeup looks flawless after applying the concealer and everything else. Everything just blends out and it matches my neck. Just do it. Try this out and thank me. So step number 3 is to prioritize product placement. So when it comes to things like concealer, blush, bronzer, the placement affects how the makeup is going to look. So you need to place them in a way that they will flatter your face shape and features. So if you do not know what placement will flatter your face, it's simple. Just go on Google and type different face shapes and you will see all the different types of face shapes and see how they place these products on the face, and just copy. If you copy the one that works for you, copy the one that caters for your face type, and trust me, just apply everything on your face exactly as you see it on the image and your face is going to look flawless at the end of the day. Is that so simple? For example, you have a diamond face and you keep doing your makeup like someone who has a rectangular shaped face. Now let's be for real, is that makeup going to look good? Between you, myself, and the other people watching, is that makeup going to look good? You and I know the answer is no. So why do you keep doing that to yourself? Do yourself a favor and learn to do your makeup or place your makeup according to the shape of your face. Trying to do what will not work for your face shape, and instead master. The act is to master, guys. Master what is going to work on your face shape, and just practice every single day or every single time you're trying to do your makeup. Make sure you do it the right way. Emphasis on the right way, yeah. So step number 4 is to learn your undertones. I don't know who told black people, who has been deceiving us that we all are deep or warm undertones. I don't know who has been giving that wrong information, but that needs to stop. I mean, today with the immediate effect. Because you can still be black and have cool undertones, same as you can be white and have warm undertones. This just needs to stop. Like, you need to know what type of undertones you are. And the best way to learn that is to look at your veins. If you have purple veins or blue veins, that means you have cool undertones. And if you have green veins or gray veins, that means you have warm undertones. And please, for the life of me, buy products that cater for your undertones. Do not do the opposite. Because if you do the opposite, that's why you'll be looking like a ghost. And you have yourself to blame because you're setting up yourself for failure. Do not do that for yourself, my love. I beg you. I beg of you. I beg. Don't do that. Please learn your undertones, because if you learn your undertones, it's going to determine how your makeup is going to look at the end of it. So please, because it is diabolical to be walking around with your makeup looking like that. You cannot be warm undertone. Then you're using products that are cool undertones. Like, how does that make sense? How does it make sense? Like between you, myself, and I, how does it make sense? It doesn't make sense, right? So please, this is 2025. We need to start buying the right products and also doing our makeup the right way. There is literally no excuse whatsoever with all this information I'm giving you. After watching this video, if your makeup still looks the same, that means I don't know what to make of you. I don't know what to say about you. Just start doing it right. When you do it right, you'll have yourself to thank for. You get so many compliments about your look, and you will fall in love. Like, what am I even saying love? You will fall in love with the way your makeup is going to look at the end of the day. So before we continue, I'd like to say that if you've been enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, because by doing this, you're going to help promote our channel, and also you have a notification every time I upload another video. So thank you so much, babes, in advance, and let's get right back into the video. So step number 6, or it's number 7 at this point, I don't even know. So creators that have similar face shape as yours. For example, if you have a round shape, please follow creators that have round shape. If you have heart face, please follow creators that have heart face. I follow Tamara Renee because she has a round face shape, and because I have a round face shape, it makes it super easy for me to do my makeup. Sometimes I follow some tips and tricks that she gives, and also do or apply my makeup or place my makeup, let me use the right term, or place my makeup exactly as she places. And because we have similar face shape, the makeup is going to look the same. Like, do you know what I mean? If you're getting my point, then that means you've been taking down some notes. This is so easy. I don't know why people have not been doing this. Let me not say people. Let me say you. I don't know why you have not been doing this. So just start doing these things. Follow all these tips and tricks I'm giving you, because this is what is going to make or break your makeup. If you want your makeup to be looking like that of your favorite makeup influencers, you have to start doing what they are doing, and also not by just doing what they're doing. Follow the right people. And watch your makeup skyrocket from 0 to 100. We need to start doing our makeup like the pros, okay? And these are the steps you need to follow. You need to start incorporating this in your makeup ASAP. I don't care wherever you are, what time you're watching this. All I have to say is that it's time, sis. It's time to get that makeup to start looking like that of the pros. And this time around, we are getting on our Zoom, okay? We are not, I repeat, we are not going to do our makeup like. So follow all these steps. Oh my God, Mimi. She always wants to be in my videos. Like, God, can mommy just have a break? So Mila is showing to this step, but let's move on to step number 8. Do not be powder shy. What I mean by do not be powder shy, I mean apply that powder on your face. Do not be like, oh my God, dot of powder, dot of concealer. No, when applying the products on your face, please apply a generous amount of it. When I say a generous amount, apply like you're about to empty that bottle. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Please. But let's be real. Powders are actually what makes your makeup look like makeup. And it stays on your face all day long, depending on how you apply the makeup though. And if you look at my face when I apply the makeup, or when I apply the powder, if you look at my face when I apply my powder, you can literally tell that my makeup transformed. I don't know about you, but I think it did. It actually did transform. So use a generous amount of powder. Don't be powder shy. Do not be powder shy. Use a generous amount of it. And also use a good setting spray and just set everything and blend it. Like I said, use a pressed powder first, then go in with the loose powder and set your entire face. So that's basically it, my love. So go out there and slay that face. Slay that face.
This is the finished look. Let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join our family, okay? Thank you guys so much for the support so far. I love you guys.